Hey everyone, this is Corey with Casual EDC, and today I have a double unboxing for you. I know what is in both of these packages. It's all new things to me here, nothing that I've ever seen or checked out before. So we're going to start with this one right here as I put this other box aside. And as you can see, this is from Blade HQ. You can see by the BHQ there. I wrote it on the back, didn't know what side I was going to have this up. TRM Neutron 2 in the pocket today. And let's take a look. Alright, that's everything in the package. I did ask for a bird drawing, didn't get one. I'm like 50-50 on getting bird drawings from Frankie and Bird. So, no harm, no foul, no big deal. But you can see Flightanium. These are the brand new Flightanium contoured titanium scales for the Benchmade bug out. I will mount these in another video, but let's take a look at these. Really interesting texture. You can see how it drops off where the axis lock goes. Some nice milling. And let's see, can you see the contouring? There is some more milling here that's actually very grippy. And then I'm sure you can see the contour on that. I'm excited to put these on the bug out. I think they're really going to change the knife a lot being contoured. They feel comfortable in hand, just put together. It's obviously very thin. So I'm excited to check these out. I will be mounting these on in another video and giving you my first impressions. And now for the big one. And you'll see why I say the big one here. This is from a follower on Instagram. He's loaning me 2 knives here, while I loan him 1 in return. Or sorry, we went 2 for 2. He's currently taking a look at my small Sabenza and my TRM Atom while I take a look at these guys. So pop this open. Come on. Very securely wrapped. I will tell you right now, neither one of those is the correct box. So don't let that fool you. You're not looking at a Spyderco or a Kershaw. We're going to save that one. We're going to go right here. So like I said, not a Kershaw in this box. But instead, we have the Civivi Fracture. This is a slip joint made by Civivi. It looks like he has a thumb stud on here to allow for one-hand opening. And this is the Tanto version. This is the first time I've handled this knife, and it's a little tight in my hand. Ergonomically, I'm getting some hot spotting from this clip. Civivi has really nice clips usually, and I know these are super affordable. These were limited run. They're still in stock a lot of places though. It's just technically a discontinued model. These are like $28 or something like that. I think it's the 9CR blade steel, not D2. You can get Tanto or a drop point, and they both have this big opening hole on them. Half stop. I don't think it was as hard to open as I made it look. No, it's not. The thumb stud's actually really difficult to use that he has on here. But it's got decent spring to it. And I'm liking it. Besides the ergonomic issues, it's a really nicely sized everyday carry slip joint. This is a 3.5-inch blade, I believe, on this. If that's incorrect, I'll add some text into the video. But yeah, really interesting. I'm glad that I asked for this as well. And now, this is the big one here. Let's just get into it. Don't want to talk too much. You see it. The Grimzone Norseman. This one is acid stonewash, blade, bronze, everything except for the pivot. This is a really pretty knife. This is number 3077, RWL 34 blade. Should I use the flipper tab? Probably, right? Oh, I missed it. That's really tight. There we go. That's actually really good ergonomically. I'm kind of shocked. I don't know why I'm surprised. I know people really like these knives, but it just fits into my hand really well, and it's really thin, all things considered. Let's see if I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit. I think it's way over tightened because that typical Norseman action just isn't there. But interesting to say the least. You can still see that milling pattern on the blade there. You can catch it down towards the edge. See that? This really strange kind of recurve blade with this rounded tanto point, however you want to say it. Interesting knife. I was really expecting to be blown away by the action, but I'm not. This is just, I think it's just way over tightened. I'm gonna play with this pivot really quick, and I will be right back. All right, we're back. Like a quarter turn of this pivot, T8 screw, and we are flipping reliably, and we are super smooth. Let's see if I can get this all on frame. Oh yeah, I could probably loosen this even a touch more, but I think I'm gonna open it up, add a little bit of knife pivot lube, and really get that pivot dialed in. I'm sure Zack will really appreciate that. But yeah, really nice action now that that's loosened up. I can understand why people really love these. Anything that drops shut like that, I'm a sucker for. Oh, it's so good. Let's see, there's no thumb stud on this side, but I'm gonna see if I can Spidey flick it. Come on. Nope, not gonna happen. Yeah, no. Nope, not enough blade sticking out. No problem. Good enough to just use as a thumb stud and a flipper. Very comfortable in hand, and I am excited to give this some pocket time. I will probably carry this tomorrow to work. Something I've wanted to check out for a long time, but never felt like dishing out the $700+ for a used one on the secondary market. So, Zack, thank you again for letting me check these two out, and everyone who is interested, keep an eye out for the new Flytanium scale video that will be coming shortly. And I do still have to review this Neutron 2 as well, so lots of good stuff coming up. And I hope you guys stick around and subscribe and are excited to continue this beautiful journey through the EDC world with myself and Eddie. So I'm going to wrap it up before I keep rambling on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.